Hello. I just want to go over my trading day and show you what I learned, show you the trades, and also show you my setup. So I took Tesla off the open. I took an opening range break, and as you can see here, we had a 5 minute opening range break, and there was a really good move, and there was a lot of velocity and momentum. It was just insane. I got in at the break of this range here on the 5th minute candle, and I got out the next minute somewhere. I left a lot on the table. I really shouldn't have exited so soon. Just because it was Monday, I thought I don't want to lose a bunch of money or do anything crazy to start the week off on a bad note. So I just exited too early, which is unfortunate. And I didn't do what I like to do, and where I grab one contract and then I grab another one if it's still working. I mean, I just kind of froze in that area. So that was that. So I made around $100 on that trade, and then I took RAPT at the 10-15 area. So right here, so I was playing this little flag break, and anyways, it didn't, it was a trap, and so I took a loss on this one to get me about break even, and then I took one more Tesla trade. That was a small winner, and that was that was 1121 flag break here. So flag broke. I got out the next candle, on the way to VWAP. Could have held a little bit longer, but it is what it is. The contracts were hardly moving, and I just was kind of bummed about how I handled the insane Tesla trade, or Tesla move. My trade wasn't that insane, but so yeah, so we'll get into the trades right now, and here's the first one. It's on Tesla. So I'm getting ready to take this opening range. I'm in one contract. It's holding up. It didn't do what it likes to do, where it, you know, just pulls back real quick, or this is showing signs of strength right here, and I should have been adding one more right there. At least one more. I mean, this is like Tesla in 2020 right here. This is really really nice movement, and I sell right there.
Nice.
So I got a couple
I
points,
got a late
but
entry, so I was like, I'll take
it's
it.
just I didn't. It's not nearly enough, because as you'll see here, it just rips and rips. I mean, this is like the velocity here and momentum is
So I
insane.
bought that
So
one on the bid and sold it
I
on the
was
mid
really feeling
price.
some FOMO here, that carried out through the rest of the day. And it's pretty unfortunate, but
One
live and learn.
mustache.
And
You know.
the reason why I'm posting this video is to hold myself accountable, and so I can hopefully learn
Yeah.
from this. So yeah, you get the point. This thing
Where
rips
to?
and rips and rips and just keeps on going. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the next trade, but this is insane. Yeah, I mean, I could have, in hindsight, I mean, I could have added, a bunch of contracts right there and still just made a killing, but you never know how far they're gonna go. So the next trade was on RAPT, and that's up top here. So I was playing this flag break. I get in 50 shares. Now here's where I started thinking maybe I should get out, and I kind of regret not getting out, because my theory is it either just goes right away or I get out. But I mean, sometimes I'm bad about getting right out. And sometimes that works, to my benefit, but this time not so much. So this is not. There's obviously, somebody sitting there with an order, or multiple people with orders to sell, and they're not letting it go higher, or the buyers just aren't there. So we got a candle under candle, and I'm out. So yeah, this did end up going higher, um, up to 42. So in hindsight, it would have been nice to hold, but my strategy is just get out if it goes candle under candle, unless certain setups where I predetermine a stop loss that's beyond candle under candle. So the final trade is on Tesla, and it's a flag break. So we're back down here at Tesla. So I'm in Tesla, 1142 average, or cost, and starting to show some life. So I'm here. I'm feeling good right now. Like I'm gonna hopefully get a move, but I noticed the contracts aren't really moving. Like they're just not. I mean, I got a 620 call, and that's just out of the money. I don't know, just because I mean it just, I guess the underlying hardly moved, but it just felt really slow. So I got out there, obviously early, per usual, but it did bring my day up a little bit.
Pathetic.
So that was it for that account. I did have a, so I'm gonna show you my. I did have some swing trades that in my TOS account that made me like $55 today. Nothing special, but I am still down on those positions. I'll show you those in a second. Now I'm gonna show you my setup. So when my main focus when I'm trading is my 4K monitor, which is here. So this is my main focus, and I have SPY 3 minute, QQQ 3 minute, and UVXY 1 minute, and then I have my 3 tickers here with level 2 time and sales, and then I have usually an hourly chart here. Or sometimes I'll put 5 minute charts up, or 30 minute occasionally, but and then I have dailies over here. So that's my main focus. With this is stuff you guys see in my videos if you watch them, but I have my options, and then quote monitor, so I can have multiple tickers, different contracts, and tickers just to buy shares or whatever here, and I can just use my keyboard with hotkeys and get right in and out of whatever I want. And then I have my options chart, and then trade window. So, and then to the left of this monitor, I have a 2K. This is a 32 inch right here, this 4K, and then I have a 32 inch 2K to the left that has TOS charts, 2 different tickers, similar setup, just without the level 2 and time and sales. But yeah, so I just keep an eye on stuff that if I want to look at more than 3 tickers, and then I have another monitor that's uh, a bit. It's a bit to the left and down from that 2K monitor. I have this little monitor here, and this is where I have. So I have TweetDeck here, up here going, and then these are some of the people I follow on TweetDeck, and yeah. So and then I have my P&L up here, but I don't pay attention to that during the day. Occasionally I'll look at it, but I don't see it while I'm trading. And then I have this DOS, ticker, what's active, what's gained the most, lost the most, And then I have this watch list here where I can enter notes and see the R ball and the move on the day. And then I have this IB watch list that shows me the average volume at the open, and then the current volume, and then yeah. So and then I have news down here. This is like top significant news. All is the main one I watch. So anything that's significant, and then down here I have my buying power. So I only have usually around 6K in buying power lately, and this lets me know how much I have left to spend since I have a cash account. And then to the right of these monitors, on the far right, I have a HD monitor that's 32 inches, and it's got 8 different tickers on usually on hourly charts. Um, you know, the most part, and yeah, these are just kind of like my little watch list charts, and I get trade ideas off here because hourly charts definitely give me significant levels, and just lets me know the bigger picture. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Yeah, just here to share my journey, and hopefully it helps somebody. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out. And if you enjoy the content, please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe button, and notifications bell. If you'd like to see more content like this, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day.